Now let's go ahead and open up the app. Once you open the Venmo app, you'll land on the home screen. Before you can add money, there are a couple of things you need to do first. You must have either a debit card or bank account linked to your Venmo. If you need help connecting one, check out my other video where I explain that process in detail. But if you already have one set up, you're ready to add money. To get started, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your transaction history, but to add money, tap the blue Manage button at the bottom right. A pop-up will appear with two options, and you'll want to select the plus icon that says Add Money. Now you get to choose how you'd like to add money. You can use your bank debit card, direct deposit, or even cash a paper check. For this video, I'll use my debit card. Next, enter the amount you'd like to add, making sure your selected payment method is correct. You can see I'm using my Visa debit card, and everything looks good, so I'll tap the blue Next button. On the confirmation screen, you'll see the details of your deposit. For example, I'm adding dollars using my Visa debit card, and the app confirms that the money should be available immediately. If everything looks correct, tap the green Add button at the bottom. Once the transaction is complete, you'll see a confirmation screen, and your Venmo balance will update with the added amount. I won't complete the transaction since I don't need to add money right now, but that's how it's done. If you were wondering how to add money to Venmo, that's the easiest way I know.